Your best remote workshop with Miro. Hello, my name is Max and I am a senior user researcher and user experience designer with 10 years of professional experience. I worked in various industries and for a multitude of clients and their different user groups throughout this time. In this class, we are talking about conducting remote or online workshops using Miro, formerly known as Realtime Board. And while the learning curve of Miro is relatively steep and its access quite easy, there are many tricks and things that will boost your interactive sessions and the experience of your participants a lot. Mastering Miro is truly a skill that does not only come in very handy in days of being separated from each other, but also since the remote work life is becoming a long-lasting reality. And even for in-person sessions, Miro can be a great tool to document your progress and collaboratively work on the same board. Miro is basically a huge canvas or digital whiteboard that can be accessed through the browser or using native apps for Mac, Windows, smartphones or tablets. It's really easy to get into it and it performs really nicely across all platforms as well. In fact, I've been using this tool for a while now and even before the pandemic for various workshop scenarios with distributed teams, different stakeholders, or with groups of people who are together in the same room. So in this class, I want to share my secrets with you and enable you to transform your online workshops into successful and smooth experiences. Please enjoy this class, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask right away. So let's get started.